Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a fun and practical DIY project. Building your very own phone gimbal or stabilizer. If you're tired of shaky phone videos and want to up your mobile filmmaking game, this project is for you. We'll be creating a simple, mechanical gimbal that will help you achieve smoother video shots without breaking the bank. So, what exactly is a gimbal? In its simplest form, a gimbal is a pivoted support that allows an object, in our case, your phone, to rotate freely in multiple axes. This helps to counteract unwanted movements, like shakes and jitters, resulting in much smoother footage. Professional gimbals can be expensive, but with a few simple materials, we can build a basic version that works surprisingly well. For this project, we'll be using readily available and inexpensive materials. You'll need some PVC pipes, various PVC joints, elbows, T's, a bolt and nuts, and possibly some tape or glue. The core of our gimbal will be a handle made from PVC pipes, providing a comfortable grip and a sturdy base. A U-shaped bracket will be created to hold the phone, with a central pivot point, allowing it to stay level while the handle moves. Let's get started. First, we'll construct the handle. Cut a length of PVC pipe to a comfortable size for gripping. Then, attach a few elbows to create a curved handle. This will give you a good grip and make it easier to control the gimbal. You can experiment with different handle designs to find what works best for you. Next, we'll build the U-shaped bracket. This will hold your phone and provide the pivotal movement. Using more PVC pipes and joints, construct a U-shape, wide enough to accommodate your phone. Ensure the phone can be securely held. The most critical part of this is the central pivot point. Using a bolt and nuts, we'll create an axis that allows the phone to rotate freely. Drill a hole through the center of the U-shaped bracket. Then, insert the bolt through this hole, and through a corresponding hole in a small piece of PVC pipe, which will act as the cradle for the phone. Secure the phone to this cradle. Tighten the nuts to allow for smooth rotation. Now, for the moment of truth. Mount your phone onto the central pivot point of the bracket. Make sure the phone is securely held. You might need to adjust the position of the phone slightly to ensure it's balanced. Once everything is set up, you're ready to test it out. To demonstrate the effectiveness of our DIY gimbal, let's do a side-by-side comparison. In one shot, we'll record footage handheld, showing the typical shaky result. In the other shot, we'll use our new DIY gimbal. The difference will be immediately apparent. Watch as the gimbal smooths out the movement, creating professional-looking video. And there you have it, a simple and effective DIY phone gimbal built using affordable materials. With this setup, you can capture much smoother videos with your smartphone. Feel free to experiment with different handle designs and bracket sizes to find what works best for you. Remember, the key is the central pivot point, which allows your phone to stay level while you move the handle. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more DIY projects.